Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and I am here with another package from Thrive Market. This is not a huge package, not something I typically order. Well, it mostly contains little snacks and the supplements. Well, and the supplements I have in this package are mostly related to stress and anxiety, because one of my friends is suffering from panic attacks, not in the very bad form though, but we have decided to give it a natural approach. So if you're at all interested, I might also make a video about that. So these are just the snacks, the oatmeal cookies. I don't really give lots of cookies to my baby, and I try to make them on my own, but sometimes, you know, the life gets in the way and you have to really use something ready-made and fast, right? So these are very good cookies. He likes them. I've also decided to try these ones. And these are the ancient grain organic cookies with probiotics. That's actually was the main reason I've decided to try them. Not really because I think they are like the best source of probiotics, or will be for my baby, but that sounds interesting. I mean, like, just why not? And the last ones, as you see, they're basically like all something interesting about all these cookies, not just regular cookies, right? And these are snackable cashew cookies with lemon zest. Well, I am not sure my baby will be like very delighted about this, but I want to sort of experiment with some new tastes, and I like that it contains cashews in here. Well, don't think that I feed cookies my baby, because I'm not ordering like every week, so this would be good for a good several, like maybe even 2 months. And these are the organic sourdough crackers with acorn flour, with the sea salt, so I think it's a good choice. Actually, it's a good company, so you could try that as well. And again, Thrive Market is, in my opinion, the best place to buy all these things, because they are really a couple dollars cheaper. So imagine you buying several things and how much money you'll really save. So as for the supplements, I have promised you, this is the B vitamin complex, Be Right. So whenever you guys want to try to take, if you need to, any B vitamins, always make sure that you do take a B vitamin complex along the way, so you don't have any imbalances. So this one is good because it contains all types of vitamin B, like B1, 2, and 5 and 12, and folate, which is good. Not folic acid, but folate. It's a more natural form of folic acid, and also contains a couple of other great ingredients. So this is the B complex that we are going to take with my friend, so he's going to take. Now, another supplement I have here is AlTyrosine, and it's really good during the stressful situations. It's basically the amino acids, and as you know, they're like building blocks of protein. So and it's really also good for improving memory or learning, like some kind of alertness. So again, very good for stressful situations. I've went with the Thrive Market brand, so I hope we'll be satisfied with that. And the next thing for stressful situations, this is the Rhodiola. Rhodiola supports a healthy response to stress, like it really supports also optimal mood and or energy. And I love the Gaia brand. I've always used that for all kind of herbal things, because the herbs are clean, and it's a single herb. It doesn't have any nasty things. So, and it's 60 capsules in here, so pretty much will be good for 2 months. So that's natural approach as well. Besides, I think I also will show you here the SAM E400. Well, that's supposed to be good for liver detoxification and joint strength, but also it's very important for proper brain function and the mood. So this is also another natural approach to trying to fight anxiety and panic attacks. So I've also ordered the chai tea. This is an organic chai tea, but that's just for myself because I kind of love it. If you mix it with coconut oil, it's just amazing. And here I see the Well People. This was just a gift they gave and a little mascara sample for the orders over, I believe, $45. The last thing I have here Oh, that's the vitamin I've ordered for my baby. That's the Child Life multi-mineral and vitamin complex. Well, I've ordered that because I want to try to supplement my baby a little bit with the supplements right now during the winter months when there is absolutely not enough vitamin D3, and also you know, sometimes when the babies are sick, their diet is kind of poor and not very rich in nutrients. But I also it says that the serving size is 2 teaspoons, but my baby is really small, right? So he's just 3+, and this container will definitely be good for about a month, or yeah, I would even say a couple of months. And besides, you don't really have to give it like on a daily basis, so you could reduce the amount you give it to your kids. And this vitamin is safe for kids starting at 6 months up to 12 years. So I think it's a good option if you want to really try something out, because Child Life is a good brand for providing some nutrition for kids. But of course, we don't forget that the diet is the main source, and we have to really stick with a good diet when we're talking about our kids' health. If you have any further questions about the things that I have ordered, I will be happy to answer all the questions. And again, so it's just a little snacks and the way we're trying to combat the anxiety disorder and any possible panic attacks. Of course, we have consulted with the doctor. It's very important to not really treat any disorders as serious as that just on your own without consulting with a doctor. So guys, I am saying that Thrive Market is a great website to order all kind of things, starting from food to supplements and even makeup. So I will definitely try this out. Never tried that one, honestly. So if you guys like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I will be happy to answer all the questions. I wish you guys to stay very happy, healthy, find the best shopping websites and resources for yourself so you just save money instead of wasting. And all the best, you guys. I'll see you in my next video.